To customize colors in Squarespace website, click Paintbrush, then select Colors. In New Window, click Edit Palette to open Palette Editor. On the left side in Preview, you can see that primary background color of this carmine template is yellow. Therefore, click on yellow color circle among top 5 circles. You can watch our other video for ways to determine primary color theme. Inside Color Picker, move around Field Circle to choose your favorite background color. You can see in Preview that your selected color instantly applies to the background. You can also adjust circle on bottom slider to choose some broad color. Some Squarespace templates provide synchronized color customizations, which means that color of text and buttons automatically change color as you change background color. For example, this carmine template. Keep an eye on color of text and button. Let's move Field Circle to select some dark background. You can notice in Preview that as I selected this dark background color, the colors of text and buttons are also changed automatically to create a contrast with background. Now, if I move Field Circle back to select some light background, the colors of text and buttons automatically become dark for necessary contrast. You can move Field Circle to different locations to confirm this. Changes apply on all pages. But in some Squarespace templates, synchronized color customizations are not possible, such as in Barbosa and Holy templates. For such templates, we can follow other method of individual color customizations for text, background, and buttons. Let's understand it in Holy template of Squarespace. By creating a section here, we can see that primary background color in this template is white and primary text color is black. After determining primary colors, let's move to Palette Editor of this template. You can see that color of center circle is green, which matches with color of green button. Therefore, select this circle and move around Field Circle to change color of button. But you can see that colors of text and background on preview page do not automatically change colors. As primary color of background is white, I will find white circle and select it to change background color. Please notice in preview that as I move the field circle, it instantly changes background color in preview. You can test and try different background colors. If background color is light, the primary black text over it is quite visible. But suppose I like this dark color for background. It will dim out the black text over it. Let's solve it. As we know that primary text of this template is black, I will locate and select the circle with black color. Now move the field circle to some light color to create a contrast between background and text color. You can see that I have selected white color for text and it looks good on dark background. Now white color has become our primary text color. You can also use color codes to select your favorite colors for text, background or buttons. For example, I can copy code of this red color from some other website. To change color of background, I will paste the numerical code inside field of color picker. As I press enter, you can see in preview that background color is changed instantly. After color customizations, click Save to apply color tweaks, but I will prefer to discard changes as it was just a demo for you. I hope now it will be quite easy for you to customize colors in Squarespace Palette Editor. You can also watch our other video to change colors through Theme Editor. Hey guys, I'm Irfan Hayat, founder of Dozro. If you like this video, consider liking it and following our social media pages. You may also look into description below for some useful links. You will learn here everything about e-business. That's it for me. Thank you so much for your time.